Yo, morning. Time right now is 8:18. Yeah, I'm gonna get into my backtesting session. I know I'm about to get into the charts. I took a trade last night in Asia. The first one, I took two trades actually, two trades. The first one hit, and I think I forced the second one a little bit, and I lost, but I didn't risk fully, but I lost like 196 if I'm not mistaken. I only risked like 35%. No, 0.35% on that trade, and yeah. Yeah. So now I'm about to just, do my back to the session real quickly and then yeah. Yeah. But yeah, nah. Right now my account is at negative 186. Yeah. Alright, let's get into it now. Alright, so yo, I did not trade PM. I mean AM. I woke up super late. But things already have a trade. I'm in this trade right now, PM session. I'm at break even right now. Yeah, still, yeah. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna hold it and just see what happens. Targeting this 4 hour, I'm gonna get it lower. This 4 hour, I'm gonna get it right here. Also a 1 hour intermediate deal. Let's see what happens. I'm already at break even, so I'm good right now. Spacing from the 30-minute, I'm gonna get it here. Have my stop loss above the the protected high right here, which is also high liquidity pressure. Go back here, and yeah, still let's see what happens. Sips plays out. Why didn't I get exited? Alright, bro. This thing is gonna piss me off again, man. Okay, I'm gonna just exit myself. 284, 83, 42, 82, 42. Alright, bet. Yeah. It did, right? Yeah. Put my TP deck doesn't get exited this data. 283.42. That's 283.42. Alright, whatever. Trading just messes up sometimes, bro. I'm not waiting for price just because if I think, oh, price gonna come back then go lower, I don't know if it's gonna happen or not, bro. I rather just close right now, so but yeah, still have my stop loss. I'm so happy that I put my stop loss above that with George Will for 1 to 1 instead. Oh, I'm so happy I did that, bro. I'm so happy I did that. This price does retrace into the CE of that wick, and it does go lower at that sometimes. So, and better in PM as well, bro. And you never know how price is going to react sometimes, bro. You never know. So yeah, good trade. It's one of those trades you kind of have to like fight for a little bit because to my entry like right when this 5 minute got inverse right here, but it was like it wasn't like a quick inverse of this 5 minute right here because this it held here, held here, held here, and then it got inverse here, right, and then also this 5 minute right here got got tapped into as well. So yeah, but yeah, this is a pretty good trade in my eyes. Definitely one of the trades to fight for, and we were bullish. I wasn't really seeing any like 15 minute bullish cap getting disrespected or any 30 minutes or any 1 hours and stuff like that. But on a 5 minute, we were showing that we were showing bearish structure. We did have all these draws higher, but I wanted to take a buy, but we didn't really get that. I wanted to see all this liquidity lower get tapped into, then we go higher, or I wanted to see this 4 hour indicator right here get tapped into, then we go higher, but we didn't really get that. And then what we got instead was a resweep of all these highs right here, this 5 minute intermediate high into this 30 minute unmitigated fair value gap right here. We had the draw lower, which was a 4 hour unmitigated with a 5 minute. This that got disrespected here. I'm like, I didn't really want to wait for this one to get this because I'm like, that's like negative R. That's like, if I was to put it right here, right? Like, what is this? Like, what is the stop loss realistically, right? Like, what is that stop loss? So I'm like, you know what? Let me just take it. I could have taken it over here as well. Put my stop loss like right here, but that's still negative R a bit. But yeah, so took my trade after this 5 minute got inverse right here. I'm like, okay, this is a good sign. Now we're probably gonna go lower now, and we do have strong draws lower with the relative equal lows right here. These relative equal lows that's also paired with a 5 minute fair value up as well. So me seeing that, I'm like, alright, what the fuck? Yeah, so me seeing that, I'm like, alright, Ben, let me just take it from there then. And took it, and you know, it worked out. Yeah. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna go journal this trade, but yeah, I didn't really record today. I didn't trade AM. I didn't record. I was to sleep mad late. It's about like 2 o'clock. I couldn't really wake up because I wasn't enough hours sleep. But yeah, still, I'm gonna go journal this, and then yeah, still. And something that I'm also realizing is this. Like let's say this happened on a Thursday, right? Let's say all this liquidity was being generated on a Thursday, and this 4 hour just got tapped into like right now, and let's say this happened in PM session, right? On the Asia session Friday, this will probably all get taken out in the Asia session, bro. So you need to realize that if nothing happens in AM or PM, bro, it'll probably happen in Asia. London is probably where the worst session of all like you, but yeah, it'll probably happen in Asia. So that's what I'm realizing. But yeah. But for today, and for the week, we ended off on a good note. Although we're still down 131, we were supposed to be down. I'm like up a lot more, but the fees and stuff like that. And I also took a bad trade before this. Well, it was an accident actually. It was actually an accident. I took a sell instead of a long. But yeah, it happens. What could you do sometimes? But yeah, that's enough for today. Yeah.